You think a peaceful life needs a huge overhaul. You believe calm only comes from big, fancy changes. But small Japanese upgrades smash those ideas. Forget huge plans. You're about to see how simple, everyday items can totally change your space and mind. It's not about doing more, it's about shifting how you do simple things. This is how your day gets lighter right now. Before we continue, hit subscribe so you never miss the latest updates. Number 1. Removing shoes at the door. This one feels so simple, but its impact is huge. Just think for a second about where your shoes have been all day. They've crossed city streets, public restrooms, parks sprayed with who knows what. The soles of your shoes are basically magnets for everything you'd never want on your floors. Seriously, researchers have found all sorts of nasty stuff on them, from bacteria like E. coli to sticky residue from asphalt and lawn chemicals. Taking your shoes off at the door is the single easiest way to stop tracking all that gunk into the space where you actually live and relax. But this habit is about so much more than just physical cleanliness. It's a powerful mental transition. The act of removing your shoes is like drawing a line in the sand. On one side is the busy, demanding outside world. On the other is your home, your place of rest and peace. When you take off your shoes, you're not just leaving dirt behind. You're symbolically leaving the stress of your commute, the pressures of work, and the noise of the day right there at the threshold. Number 2. Carrying a compact hand towel. Think about the last time you were in a public restroom. You wash your hands, turn around, and see it. The paper towel dispenser is totally empty. Or maybe there's just one of those jet engine hand dryers that feels like it just moves water around instead of actually drying anything. It's a small but frustrating moment. This is where a simple personal hand towel changes everything. It's an incredibly common practice in Japan, and it's rooted in a concept called modanai. In simple terms, modanai is all about not being wasteful. It's a deep respect for resources, encouraging you to use things with gratitude and avoid creating unnecessary trash. Every time you pull out your own towel instead of a disposable paper one, you're putting that idea into practice. But it's about more than just being eco-friendly. It's a small act of preparedness that brings a little bit of comfort and control into your day. You're not relying on a poorly stocked bathroom. Instead, you have your own clean, soft towel ready to go. Number 3. Heated toilet seats. Let's talk about a feeling we all know. That sudden, shocking jolt of a freezing cold toilet seat, especially in the middle of the night or on a chilly morning. It's a tiny, unpleasant moment in our day, but it's one most of us just accept as normal. In Japan, however, that small discomfort is seen as something worth solving. Because for them, even the most private moments are an opportunity for care. This is where the famous Japanese high-tech toilet comes in. It's much more than just a cool gadget. It's a physical expression of a core cultural concept called omoyari. This idea is all about showing sincere, thoughtful consideration for others. It's about anticipating what someone might need to feel more comfortable and respected, and providing it for them without them ever having to ask. So, that signature heated seat isn't just about physical warmth, it's a silent gesture of hospitality, welcoming you. The same goes for other common features like a built-in washer that leaves you feeling clean, or a sound function that provides a bit of privacy. Every single detail is designed to turn a purely functional and sometimes awkward experience into one that feels dignified and surprisingly pleasant. Number 4. Foldable umbrellas. We've all been there. You're walking outside and suddenly the sky just opens up. That feeling of panic as you realize you're completely exposed with no shelter in sight. It's a small thing, but it can easily ruin your mood, your clothes, and your plans. In Japan, that specific kind of daily chaos is something people actively plan against. It's why you'll see so many people carrying a super compact, lightweight umbrella in their bag every single day, no matter what the weather forecast says. This habit comes from a core cultural idea, summed up in the old proverb, "Sonai areba ure nashi." It translates to something like, if you are prepared, you will have no worries. It's a simple but powerful philosophy. Take one small, easy step now to prevent a much bigger headache later. And the umbrellas themselves are perfectly designed for this. They aren't the big, awkward ones you have to wrestle with. They're engineering marvels, incredibly light, tiny enough to fit in any bag, and designed to open and close in a snap. The whole point is to make being prepared completely effortless. Number 5. Smart transit cards. Think about rushing to catch a train. That little moment of stress as you dig through your bag for a ticket, or the frustration of standing in line at a machine, trying to figure out the right fare. It's a tiny hassle, but these moments add up, draining your energy throughout the day. In Japan, this entire process is simplified down to a single, effortless tap. With a smart IC card like a Suica or Pasmo, You just touch it to the gate reader and walk right through. No tickets, no calculating fares, and no fumbling for loose change. It's completely seamless, but here's where it becomes a true life upgrade. That same card isn't just for getting around. You use it to buy a drink from a vending machine on the platform. You use it to grab a snack at the convenience store. You can even pay for your lunch at some restaurants. It's one card that handles dozens of small daily transactions, removing friction at every single step. Number 6. Keeping a small, reusable shopping bag. Think about how many times you've been out, maybe on your way home, and just needed to pick up one or two things. You get to the counter and you're faced with that familiar question: do you need a bag? And that single plastic bag, used for maybe 10 minutes, feels like such a waste. In Japan, this entire interaction has fundamentally changed. In 2020, they started charging for plastic bags everywhere, and the shift was massive. Before this, only about 30% of people would say no to a plastic bag. After, that number shot up to over 75%. Today, more than 9 out of 10 people in Japan regularly carry their own reusable bag. But here's the secret. It's not about lugging around a giant canvas tote bag all day. The real life upgrade is the small, foldable shopping bag. These things are designed to be ultra compact, folding down to the size of a wallet or a pack of gum. They're so small you can keep one in your coat pocket, your backpack, or your car, completely forgetting it's there until you need it. Number 7. Organizing shoes in a Genkan entryway. Think about what you see the moment you walk into your home. For a lot of us, it's a pile of shoes, kicked off, tangled up, and creating a little zone of chaos right at the entrance. In Japan, the entryway, or genkan, is treated completely differently. It's not just a hallway, it's a dedicated transitional space. Often it's slightly lower than the rest of the floor, creating a clear physical boundary between the outside world and the private space of the home. This is where shoes come off without fail. But the real upgrade isn't just taking them off, it's how they're organized. Instead of a jumble, shoes are neatly placed in a cabinet or turned to face the door, ready for the next time you leave. This small action, which takes maybe 10 seconds, is a powerful ritual. It sets an immediate tone of order and calm for the entire house. Number 8. Bathing before bed instead of in the morning. For most of us, a shower is a tool to wake up. It's a quick, frantic 10 minutes of steam designed to jolt you into the day. But in Japan, the evening bath is treated as the complete opposite. It's not a starting pistol, it's a finish line. The idea is to reframe bathing as a ritual for winding down, not waking up. It's a clear, physical boundary that separates the stress of your day from the peace of your night. You're not just getting clean, you're cleansing the day away. The meetings, the commute, the worries, you leave it all in the water. There's also some simple science that makes this so effective. Taking a warm bath about an hour or two before bed raises your body's temperature. Once you get out, that temperature starts to drop, which sends a powerful signal to your brain that it's time to produce melatonin and prepare for sleep. Many people find they fall asleep faster and sleep more deeply. Number 9. Compact multi-purpose storage boxes. It's hard to have a clear head when your space is full of clutter. That feeling of chaos isn't just visual. It creates a constant mental noise that drains your energy. And the Japanese approach to organizing goes a little deeper than just out of sight, out of mind. There's a core cultural idea about not being wasteful and treating your belongings with genuine respect. It's not always about owning less, but about being more intentional with what you have. And a huge part of that is giving every single item a proper, designated home. This is where compact, modular storage boxes become so important. Think about all those little things that just float around your home. Charging cables, batteries, spare keys, pens, and markers. Instead of getting shoved into a junk drawer, they get sorted into small, simple, and often stackable containers. Number 10. Portable personal fans. Anyone who's been to Japan in the summer knows the heat is no joke. It's that incredibly hot, sticky humidity that can make a simple commute or a walk outside feel completely draining. So instead of just suffering through it, there's a brilliantly simple solution you see everywhere: the portable personal fan. And this is more than just a little gadget. It's a perfect example of how to solve a big problem on a small, personal scale. The idea isn't to cool down the entire street. It's about creating your own personal bubble of comfort. Whether you're waiting for a train, sitting at your desk, or walking through a crowded area, a small, quiet fan gives you immediate control over your own environment. It's a tiny, deliberate act of self-care in the middle of a busy day. The designs are a huge part of it, too. They're often sleek, minimalist, and whisper quiet. You'll see them hanging from people's necks or clipped onto their bags, almost like a standard summer accessory. Number 11. Bento-style meal preparation. Let's be honest, for most of us, a packed lunch is just sad. Leftovers thrown into a single container, all jumbled together by the time you're ready to eat. The Japanese bento box completely rethinks this. It treats lunch not just as fuel, but as a small, beautiful experience to look forward to. The genius is in the design. A bento box isn't one big space. It's a collection of small, dedicated compartments. This simple structure is like a quiet guide for your health. It nudges you to include a variety of foods. A spot for rice, a spot for protein, and several little sections for colorful vegetables and pickles. Suddenly, portion control and nutritional balance aren't things you have to stress about or track. The box itself does most of the work for you. You just fill the spaces. But the real magic is how it changes your mindset. The act of carefully arranging the food, making it look appealing, transforms meal prep from a boring chore into a small, creative moment. It's a 5-minute act of mindfulness in the morning. Number 12. Quiet phone etiquette in public. Think about the last time you were on a quiet bus or train, and the peace was suddenly shattered by someone taking a loud phone call or watching a video with the sound on full blast. It's an instant jolt out of your own thoughts. In Japan, there's a powerful cultural idea that's all about actively considering the comfort of people around you. It's not just about avoiding being rude. It's about anticipating how your actions might disrupt the shared peace of a public space. This is why you'll notice that trains, cafes, and other public areas are often remarkably quiet. People just don't have loud conversations on their phones. It's an unwritten rule. Most phones are set to manner mode, a silent setting that's become the default for daily life. The logic is simple. The comfort of the group is more important than the convenience of one person. Your call can wait, or you can step away to a more private area to take it. Your video can be watched with headphones. Number 13. Pocket tissue packs. Walk down any busy street in Japan, especially near a train station, and it won't be long before someone offers you a free pack of pocket tissues. At first, it might just seem like a friendly gesture, but it's actually one of the most brilliant and widespread forms of advertising ever invented. Tucked inside that little plastic wrapper is a small paper ad, maybe for a new gym, a local restaurant, or a bank. This is so incredibly common that many people in Japan rarely even have to buy their own tissues. They're just a constant part of daily life, something you grab on your way somewhere and stick in your bag or pocket. But the real genius here isn't just the marketing, it's the cultural habit it creates. Having a pack of tissues on you at all times becomes second nature. It's a small but powerful sign of preparedness. It's for you, of course, for a sudden sneeze or a small spill, but it's also for others. It's having something to offer a friend who just spilled their coffee or a stranger whose child has a runny nose. Number 14. Thoughtful everyday packaging and organization. Have you ever fought with a piece of plastic packaging that just refused to open? Or tried to pour something from a carton only to have it spill everywhere? It's a tiny moment of frustration, but it's a sign that nobody really thought about your experience. In Japan, there's a deep cultural idea of thinking about the other person first. It's this belief in sincere consideration, in anticipating what someone might need, and quietly providing it without expecting anything back. And this isn't just about being polite, it's built right into the way things are designed. Think about those famous high-tech toilets. The heated seat, the water spray, even a sound to cover up any noise. Every single feature is there because someone thought, how can we make this experience more comfortable and dignified for the person using it? You see the same mindset in everyday packaging and products. It's the little pull tab that opens a snack bag cleanly every single time. It's the box designed to be easily flattened for recycling, or a container that's perfectly shaped to be reused for something else. These aren't accidents. They are tiny, deliberate acts of care. Each one is designed to remove a small moment of friction from your day. When the things you use are designed with this level of thought, your daily life just becomes a little smoother, a little calmer, and a lot less frustrating. This same principle of using smart, considerate design to make things easier can also completely change how we approach our most repetitive daily tasks. So, you started this thinking you needed a total life makeover to find some peace. You probably imagined calm only came from big fancy changes, right? But what we've seen through these 14 simple Japanese upgrades is something totally different. Forget those huge, overwhelming plans. It turns out the secret isn't about doing more or even doing something completely new. It's about shifting how you do the simple, everyday things. Each item we talked about, from removing your shoes at the door to carefully packing a bento box, isn't just a thing. It's a tiny, deliberate act of care. It's a gentle nudge towards making your day a little smoother, a little less frustrating. The real power behind all of this comes from a brilliant idea. That small, steady improvements done consistently build up to massive changes over time. It's not about being perfect from day one. It's about being a little bit better every single day. Letting go of the idea that everything has to be perfect is often the first step toward creating a better life. Instead of waiting for the ideal moment, trying to overhaul your entire routine, or believing that every change has to be dramatic, simply begin with one small, intentional action. It might be putting your shoes away the moment you walk through the door, taking 30 seconds to clear your desk before bed, or preparing tomorrow's lunch with a little more care. These tiny choices may seem insignificant on their own, but repeated day after day, they quietly shape the way you live. That's how meaningful habits are built. That's how a calmer home, a clearer mind, and a lighter, more enjoyable day truly begin. From turning a cluttered entryway into a peaceful welcome that instantly helps you relax, to transforming an ordinary lunch into a mindful moment you genuinely look forward to, these Japanese-inspired ideas are about far more than simple organization. They're small design choices and daily rituals that reduce stress before it has a chance to build, helping everyday life flow more naturally. The beauty is that none of these upgrades require expensive renovations or complicated systems. Instead, they encourage you to notice the little moments that often go overlooked and make them work in your favor. These aren't just productivity tips or clever household hacks. They're an invitation to rethink the relationship you have with your home and your daily routine. An invitation to replace chaos with calm, rushed habits with thoughtful ones, and unnecessary stress with simple, practical solutions that make life feel easier. And this is only the beginning. There are countless more Japanese ideas, systems, and everyday details that quietly transform how people live without drawing attention to themselves. If these small upgrades have already challenged the way you think about creating calm and order, you're going to love what's coming next. Stay with us as we uncover even more simple changes that can make your home feel lighter, your routine smoother, and every day a little more peaceful. That's it for today. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and stay tuned for more updates you won't want to miss.